What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, sizes, races, colors, and creeds? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing all right. So I wanted to put out a video explaining why I love riding motorcycles. And I'm sure that everybody's got their own reasons of why they love to ride motorcycles. If you clicked on this video, then that means you like riding motorcycles. And I would absolutely love for you guys to share your comments down in the comment section below. Let me know how much you guys love riding motorcycles. Uh-oh, I felt a little sprinkle. Better not be no sprinkles. It's a cloudy day today, okay? It's just cloudy. There's nothing else going on with the clouds. But yeah, if you guys like riding motorcycles, leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what kind of bike you got. You don't have to tell me what state you live in or anything like that, but if you want to, I mean, it's up to you. You can tell me what state you live in and where you like to ride the motorcycles. But yeah, you know, I've ridden motorcycles all over the place. Like, I've ridden in Kansas, West Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, I'm trying to think where else, Nebraska, so Texas. So I've ridden the motorcycles, you know, different places, and you know, it was fun. I love riding motorcycles. And I've owned many a bike over the years. I've owned a, let's see, what was it, a Honda Rebel? I think it was either a Yamaha Exciter or a Honda Rebel. I think it was a Yamaha Exciter. It's like a 250 or something like that. And then I've owned, a Yamaha, a 1979 Yamaha XS 1100 Special, which had the old style fairing up front, like, you know, the Purple Rain fairing. If you guys have ever seen that movie, you know what I'm talking about. And of course, you know, I've owned a, what was it, a 1997 Honda CBR 600 F3, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what it was, 600 F3. And which, don't get me wrong, guys, it was a great bike. But it was scary, like real scary. I wasn't afraid of it, but you know, my brother-in-law swears up and down that it gyrated, so he wouldn't get on it. And then of course, I owned a, what was it, a 2005, was it 2005? Yeah, 2005 Yamaha V Star 650, and I ended up having to sell the 650, the V Star and the Honda CBR. I had to sell both of them. This was back in, what was it, 2012, 2013 time frame. I had to sell both of them. And then, you know, I decided to buy a Harley. So I bought a, what was it, a 48? Yeah, it was a 2020, it was either a 2019 or a 2020 48 1200. And good bike, you know, I'm not complaining about it, but it just wasn't for me. So I went back to the dealership the same week, and picked this bike up, and this is it's a Harley Davidson Street Bob, a 2020 Street Bob. And don't get me wrong, I love this bike, but you know, I want bigger. I want a fairing on it. I want saddlebags. You know, I want all that good stuff. Of course, who wouldn't? You know, I mean, it is what it is. But I'm thinking about trading this one up as soon as I can. And yeah, getting me a bagger. So I'm looking at the road glides. Because, you know, I want speakers. I want speakers on the bike. And I want to be able to, you know, play music while I'm riding. And unfortunately, these speakers that I have on here right now, they're not very good. Low speeds, they're okay. But when you get up to like 40, when you get up to like 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 mile per hour, not very good. Matter of fact, you can't even hear these guys. These speakers right here, you can't even hear them at that speed. So, yeah, pretty crazy. But it's an okay today. It's an okay day today. Yes, there we go. I said it. Sometimes I speak a little bit too fast, so my words kind of like jumble together. I do apologize if that happens. I'm trying to work on it. It's very difficult. It's going to be even worse when I get this damn tooth pulled. But that's another story. Another time, another story. But yeah, I mean, I like riding motorcycles. Who doesn't like to ride motorcycles that actually owns a motorcycle? You know? I mean, even if you don't own a motorcycle and you've ridden in the past, once you get that bug, it never goes away. You want to ride all the time. Unfortunately, you can't ride all the time unless you're one of those people that travels around the country like 365 days a year. Then, you know, then you could probably ride all the time. But yeah, I mean, I love to ride, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's fun. It's a blast. Love to ride. The wind, the sound of the bike. I mean, I don't like rain. Not whatsoever. Don't like rain at all. So when you're going towards Macon, Georgia, there's a road, Technology Parkway. You'll pass the DMV where you get your driver's license. All right, people, come on. This right here, I'm going to tell you right now, this right here is like one of the most dangerous places. And you can't see. Like, they need to bring that turn out a little bit more. There we go. All right, we're coming up on the road that I was talking about, Technology Parkway. Now, I'm actually going to stop at the place where Technology Parkway used to end. I want to show you exactly how it was before a couple of years ago when they opened it up. a lot of people over at the DMV today. Well, not a lot. Typically that parking lot's like cram-packed full, which I don't understand why. It's not really that popular of a place, but they did open it back up now. You don't have to wear a mask in there anymore. All right. So this is Technology Parkway. This is one of the best places to ride on a motorcycle right here. This road is one of those roads that you can just sit back, relax, and chill on a bike. Here we go, hold on. All right, so let's stop right here for just a minute. Stop right here for just a minute. Okay, so okay. Yeah, this is the place. So, from up there to down right about over here somewhere, and then there was like back over there there was some what the hell you call them, barricades right over here, and then there was a turnaround point right here, and then we used to park the truck right here, and we'd get out and smoke a cigarette, you know, whatever. Which back then it was actually pretty cool. But yeah, all right. Well, I think that's going to end the video here, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. It's been fun. It's been real, and yeah. Hope to see you guys next time. All right, I'm out.